day, Tony shows the fun away. Cut and glue with happy cheer, creative joy is always near. Hip, hip, hooray! Cut the paper nice and slow, watch the shapes begin to show. Tony uses hands with care, making crafts beyond compare. Skills begin to grow. Glue it here and glue it there, stick the pieces with great care. Tony smiles and works so neat, make it look so fun is everywhere. Paper flowers bright and gay, Tony makes them every day. Petals shining red and blue, lovely crafts for me and you, blooming on the way. Make a mask and wear with pride, Tony laughs and jumps with stride. Colors, stickers shining bright, crafting brings a pure delight. Joy we cannot hide. Paint with colors bold and bright, Tony paints with pure delight. Brush goes up and far and near, art feels fresh and light. Be creative, use your mind, Tony shows how to design. Buttons, paper, sticks and more, ideas you will find. Make it quickly, don't be slow, Tony learns and starts to glow. Fast and fun the crafting goes, fast and fun the crafting goes. Every day his talent grows, watch him grow. Golden star for crafting right, Tony shines so big and bright. Art and craft he understands, clap for him with happy hands. Future full of light. Keep on crafting every day, creativity leads the way.